Assalamu alaikum viewers, my name is Suhaira and today I am going to show you how to make condensed milk from home using only 2 ingredients. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon, and if you like the video, don't forget to give a thumbs up.
This looks and tastes exactly like store-bought condensed milk.
We only require 2 ingredients to make this condensed milk. Now let's see how it is made. Let's start by adding 2 cups of milk to the pan. Now we are adding 2/3 cup of sugar to the same pan. Now let's heat the mixture. Keep stirring until the sugar is completely dissolved. Leave it to simmer for 40 minutes in low flame. Here I am using a heavy bottom saucepan. Switch off the stove once you get this consistency. You should either use a heavy bottom saucepan or a non-stick pan. You will also notice that the amount of liquid is around halved. The texture is so thick and creamy that it melts in your mouth. We can refrigerate this and use it up to a month.